This video is going to show you how to insert images into your body content. And we'll get into what exactly that means in just a second. I am already logged into my example website. So we are going to head over to a page. And we are going to edit the page. Now, the reason why for this type of page, in this example, I want to insert an image to help break up the content, make it visually more appealing. As you can see, I have a title field, a body field, some PayPal information, and that's about it. This is more administrative stuff of the page. It's not really the content of the page. So I want to add an image. What we've done is we've given the ability for the body fields to insert images. So I place my cursor where I want my image to display. I locate the image icon, click it, and then I need to browse the server. Now over here we can see I have images and PDFs. You want to make sure images is selected so that your images end up in the images folder. It just helps to keep things organized. So we need to get our image on the server where our website can read it. So we're going to upload and click choose file. I've got a photo right here we're going to use. We're going to open it and then click upload. Now there are two ways to get this image into your body content. You can just click the image or you can click insert file. I strongly recommend filling in the alternative text. This is helpful for anyone who's using a screen reader. It's very helpful for search engine optimization. It's just overall a good idea, and it takes, 10 seconds, so why not? Another thing that I would like to point out is this width and height setting. Now this gets filled in automatically, and this is just the system trying to be helpful. One thing to consider for these fields is if I was viewing this page on my cell phone, a width of 300 might work particularly for this image, but if this image was bigger, let's say it was 600 pixels wide, which is 300 pixels. If it was 600 pixels wide and I left this width and height filled in, that image is not going to resize for someone who's viewing it on their phone, and that can result in funny layouts and make the page harder to read for people on their cell phones. So what I normally do is I take those values out. Now we click OK. As you can see, we took out the width and height, and the image is still the same size. That's perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Another thing to look at is I've inserted my picture, but, wouldn't it be nice if my text, started at the top of the picture? Well, we have options. So if I right-click on this, I have image properties. This alignment will give us the option to position our image to the left of our content or to the right of our content. So if I click left and click OK, I now have my text at the top and my image to the left. This is great, and we're headed in the right direction. However, one smaller thing that I'm noticing here is my text is right up next to the edge of the image. We can fix that. So let's go ahead and right-click on our image, go back into Properties, and this H space stands for horizontal space. So if I put a value of 10 in, what it's going to do is it's going to add 10 pixels of space of pretty much padding around the left and the right side of the image. So if we click OK, so now you can see there's a space. I do want to point out it is adding 10 pixels of padding to both the right and the left side of the image. So that is how you insert an image, and then I also showed you a few little tricks to get it positioned in your text so that it it looks a little cleaner and is easier to interpret to someone who's never seen your page before. So if we scroll down and click Save, our page now looks like this with our image inserted. And that is how you go about inserting an image into your body field. Thank you for watching.